Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our channel. If you're new, please subscribe and hopefully you'd like this video. And also please share this video with your friends and family, as this is a form of sadaqah for me and also a form of sadaqah for you. Jazakallah khair. So today we'll be going over the three Madood letters. Now the three Madood letters, they are Alif, Waw and Ya. Now these three Madood letters, the significance of them are that whenever you see them within the Quran or your Qaida, you'd have to lengthen them for 2 seconds. And through the steps that we provide, inshallah, you'll find it easy to identify them and then also lengthen them. Now moving on to the steps. Step 1 is to find an empty alif or a ya sakin or a waw sakin. Now what do I mean by an empty alif? I mean an alif without a haraka. Without a haraka meaning without a fatha, a dhamma, kasra, etc. or a sakin. So an empty alif. So the first step is to find an empty alif, ya sakin or a waw sakin. Now that completes step 1. The second step is to find any of the following combinations. So with an empty alif, you should have before it, not after, before it as fatha. And before a ya sakin, you should have a kasra. And before a waw sakin, you should have a dhamma. Remember, it's before the waw sakin, ya sakin, empty alif, not after. And you need to remember this. So that completes step 2. A little recap. Step 1 was to find an empty alif, ya sakin or waw sakin. Step 2 was to find any of the combinations, which is empty alif with a fatha before it, so a ya sakin with a kasra before it, or a waw sakin with a dhamma before it. Now the third and final step is to lengthen each one for 2 seconds. Okay, we'll go over a little example together, inshallah. So as you can see on the screen, there's a word in Arabic. Now the first step is to either identify an empty alif, ya sakin or a waw sakin. Which one can you see on the board? Well done if you guessed it right. So there's an empty alif and there's a ya sakin. Which letters do you lengthen? The letter before or the letter after the empty alif? So before the empty alif there's a ya, and on top of the ya there's a fatha. And after the empty alif there's a ba with a kasra. Which one do you lengthen? If you guessed ya, then that's correct. So you lengthen the ya. So you'd say ya. Remember, 2 seconds. So we found 2. We found the empty alif and a ya sakin. And we already implemented the alif mad on the empty alif. So we said ya. Then we have ba kasra. Now after the kasra, is there a ya sakin? No. Does this qualify as a mad? No. So we'd say bi. So ya bi. Now after this there's a sin with a kasra. Does this have a ya sakin after it? Yes, this has a ya sakin after it. So you'd say si. We lengthen it for 2 seconds. Si, and noon with the fatha. So is there an empty alif after it? No. So is this a mad? No. We'll go over the word now. So that's ya bisina, ya bisina. Remember, I didn't lengthen the alif mad more than the ya mad. Each mad needs to be minimum 2 seconds long. Now you can try the next example. Pause the video and take as long as you want. Remember, we need to identify an empty alif, ya sakin or waw sakin. Then we need to find the combinations and then we lengthen them. So if you got it right, well done. So that was khalisina. So on the kha there's a fatha, and after the fatha there's a empty alif. So that becomes a alif mad. And on the sad there's a kasra, and after the sad there's a ya sakin. So that becomes a ya mad. So we lengthen each one for 2 seconds. Jazakallah for watching the video. We hope you understood and liked our videos. If you still have problems with the Madood, leave a comment below and inshallah we'll help you to the best of our abilities. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.